I recently recovered from a cold, but my fiancé started showing symptoms a couple of days later. When he developed a bad cough, I decided to get him some strepsils to help soothe his throat. However, he got mad at me, saying I wasted money on something useless and that I should have gotten him cough sweets instead. He even told me that if I wasn't capable of thinking and reading packets, I shouldn't get him anything. I think he's being unfair and overreacting. I apologized for assuming he had a sore throat without checking, but he keeps saying I've pissed him off. I was just trying to help, and the strepsils won't go to waste since they're in date until 2028. I feel like he's being ungrateful and mean about it.